Because extended class structures can get confusing, Visual Studio offers the Class View and Object Browser windows. These windows allow you to see a visualization of class structures. To begin this lesson, open the stablebase project from your Sample Files folder. Now display the Class View window by clicking View, Class View. The Class View window appears in the same area as the Solution Explorer. Note that if the Class View option isn't available, you must switch Visual Studio to Expert Settings mode. You should have enabled Expert Settings mode in Session 1 of the Essential Skills course in this series. To switch to Expert Settings, click Tools, Settings, Expert Settings. The Class View option will now be available under the View menu. Now let's examine the Red Grid View class in the Class View window. First, expand stablebase in the Class View window. Now click Red Grid View in the expanded list. In the bottom half of the Class View window, you can see the Apply Formatting method of this class. This area shows all methods and properties of the class you have selected. Now expand Red Grid View and expand Base Types. The Base Types list shows you that the Red Grid View class extends the Extended Grid View class and implements the eye-colored grid view interface. Now expand Extended Grid View. You can now see that the Extended Grid View class extends the Grid View class. The .NET framework is essentially a tree structure of classes that extend one another. All classes in the .NET framework can be traced back to the Object class. It's for this reason that every object can be cast to the object type. Casting to the object type is covered in Session 5 of the Essential Skills course in this series. You can use the Class View window to quickly jump to the relevant code of each class. Right-click Extended Grid View in the Class View window and click Go to Definition from the shortcut menu. The Extended Grid View class is shown in the main Visual Studio window. The Class View window can be cumbersome to work with, since it will always list every class in the project. For ease of use, you can create a custom folder that contains only the classes you are interested in. Click the New Folder button at the top of the Class View window. A new folder appears, ready for you to name it. Type Colored Grid Views and press Enter. Your new folder is now ready to use. Click and drag the Red Grid View class into the Colored Grid Views folder. A reference to the stablebase.redgridView class is added to the folder. Note that the class hasn't actually been moved or changed in any way. Class View folders are only shortcuts for your convenience. Now, in the same way, click and drag the Blue Grid View class into the Colored Grid Views folder. The folder now enables easy access to your two custom grid view classes. Now return to the Solution Explorer by clicking the Solution Explorer tab beneath the Class View window. Close Visual Studio now, and you've now completed Lesson 4:17. Use the Class View window.